Hello guys, welcome to my sorry, मैं घटिया बात ही कर दूँ. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 24, B is 49, C is 75 and D is 99. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now, just recall that what are the rules which we can apply to solve the given expression. As you can see, we will discuss here two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rules. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression, and the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3 is you have to solve division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve if we will go left to right, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now, move forward to solve the given expression. As we have here two brackets, so according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket. So first we have 24 minus 14, which is equal to 10, multiplied by this part, we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 24 minus 14 equals to 10. Now, now we have to solve bracket number 2. So we will solve this one, and 10 multiplied by, and here we will have the 75 divided by 15. So 75 divided by 15 equals to 5, and plus 7 raised to power 2 we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 75 divided by 15 equals to 5. Now we have solved the bracket. Now we have the exponent part in our expression. So we will solve this one. So 10 multiplied by 5 will write as it is, and plus 7 raised to power 2 means 7 multiplied by 7, which is equal to 49. So we will write here 49. So 7 raised to power 2 means equals to 49. And this becomes the power. So now we have solved the power as well. Now we have the step number 3, which is division and multiplication. So now we will solve division and multiplication. So what we will do, we will go left to right in our expression and find out division and multiplication. So first we have the multiplication, this one. So 10 multiplied by 5, we will multiply both of them and get the answer is 50. And plus 49, we will write as it is. And here we will write 10 multiplied by 5 equals to 50. So if you see the now expression, we have two terms which are adding each other. So both of them we will add and get the answer is 99. So the answer of the given expression is 99. If you see the answer this, answer D is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.